Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go on quiet mode on Instagram. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Now once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on your profile. And once you're on your profile, if you can see there's three lines right here, just go ahead and tap on it. Alright, now in these sections right here, you should find how you use Instagram. Alright, once you have it located, just go ahead and tap on the notification section. Tap on it, and as you can see here, there is an option called quiet mode. Just go ahead and tap on that. All right, and it says here your notification will be muted during the times you choose. People will see that you're in sleep mode. So what we're gonna do is just tap on this one right here and just select the days where you want your quiet mode or sleep mode will be active. For example, sleep mode or quiet mode is automatically be set to daily. All right, if you want to just have a quiet or sleep mode on Sundays and Saturdays, just go ahead and tap on each day right here until it turns black, so that Saturdays and Sundays will only be highlighted. All right, you can also set the duration right here or the time. Start time will be for example 12 a.m. and the end time will be let's say 12 p.m. all right, once done, just go ahead and tap on save and you'd be good to go. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.